Hi students, welcome to chemistry lab. Today we are going to do the next set of chemistry practical, that is volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis depends on measurement of volume of solution that is allowed to react with a solution of known concentration. Let us familiarize the apparatus used for volumetric analysis. First one is burette. Burette is filled with acid used for the titration. This is 20 ml pipette. We measure alkali in pipette. This is 100 ml standard flask. In standard flask, we make up the alkali solution. And this is conical flask in which we done the volumetric analysis. This is the funnel used for transferring the alkali solution from the small bottle to the standard flask. This is a glass rod used for transferring the alkali solution from the small bottle to standard flask. And this is beaker, this wash bottle, and this is the indicator phenolphthalein used for the titration. The three types of volumetric titrations are acidimetry, alkalimetry, and permanganometry. Now let us familiarize one acidimetric titration. The solutions required for the titrations are 0.01 normal sodium hydroxide solution, 0.01 normal hydrochloric acid solution, indicator phenolphthalein for titration. The solutions used for the titration are sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, and indicator phenolphthalein. Here we are titrating sodium hydroxide against HCl. The reaction taking place is neutralization reaction. The indicator used for the titration is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is colorless, but it is pink in alkaline solution. At the neutralization point, that is at the end point, the color completely discharges. This is the volume of the acid that is required for neutralizing the alkaline solution. Wash all the apparatus used for the titration thoroughly with water. Rinse the burette with hydrochloric acid used for the experiment. Rinse the apparatus 2 times. The pipette is rinsed with sodium hydroxide from the standard flask. Pipette is also rinsed 2 times. Then starts the experiment. The procedure required for titration is, in the first step, we have to transfer the sodium hydroxide taken in small bottle to the 100 ml standard flask using a glass rod and a funnel. Wash the glass rod, then wash the funnel, then make up the solution to 100 ml. stopper it and shake it thoroughly for uniform concentration. Then fill the burette with given hydrochloric acid solution. The burette is graduated to 50 ml. Pipette out the makeup sodium hydroxide solution to the conical flask. One or two drops of phenolphthalein indicator is added. Alkaline solution becomes pink in color. Now titrate this with the hydrochloric acid taken in the burette. Now titrate the solution in the conical flask with the hydrochloric acid taken in the burette. At the end point, the color of the solution completely discharges. After the titration, the volume of the hydrochloric acid used for the titration is noted, and the calculation is done using the equation V1N1 is equal to V2N2. From this, we calculate the normality of sodium hydroxide.